Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the best VPN service provider. It is called NordVPN. I used NordVPN for about 2 years now and it worked great and I really want to recommend it to everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use it and how it in general looks like, and also how it performs. So they offer now 2 years with 70% discount plus a gift. So it's really great time to buy. They have also a very cheap price, so just £2.59 for 2 years plan per month. So I think it's really good. PewDiePie also use a NordVPN, so it is really a trusted VPN service. They do not sell your data to anyone, so everything stays safe and encrypted. So if we go through their website, we can see that they provide a secure browsing. They also have ads and trackers blocked and so on. So with NordVPN you can easily secure and private access to the internet, which means it will change your IP address to another country that you can select off. They have a lot of servers all around the world. I will show you in a sec. As you can see, they have 60 countries to enjoy fastest VPN experience in the world. So yeah, it's very stable connection anywhere. So you can go through the website, you can see for yourself. If you have some extra concerns about it, you can check the features out. So they have like fastest VPN, block malware and more, secure internet, price on the go, and so on and so on. NordVPN works for all of your devices basically. They have a software for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, Chrome, Firefox, Android TV, and so on and so on and so on. So there are no limits on that. So they have basically the best of everything. They provide also money back guarantees. So if you don't like it, you always can get your money back. And let's get started. So when you open NordVPN, you will see this window. So you see a map and you can select any location that you want. You can select a country in Europe, you can select a country in USA. They have a lot of servers, so where you see the blue circle, you can connect to. So for example, if you're in Europe and you want to see a restricted content in USA, then you can select a country in USA and you will be able to see that content. So VPN is actually very good. Okay, so for example, now I'm connected to United Kingdom, so I'm free to choose anything here. So I can choose Spain, for example. And that's it. You just click on that blue icon, 2 seconds and you're connected to Spain. So basically now my computer is in Spain. My IP address is Spain and so on. So if we take a look on the left side, we can see all the countries from the list. So if you don't want to use the map, you can click here and select. If you right click on that country, you can select a server. So for example, North Macedonia, they have 2 servers. And you see that Netherlands have a lot of servers to choose from. Let's go to the settings. I will show you some settings. So if you click on the settings tab, you will see that the NordVPN, the version, and you can see a few general options. Launch at Windows Startup, I have selected on. Launch the app minimized, I also selected it on. So it automatically starts with the Windows and it starts minimized. You have also 2 extra options like show VPN connection status notification. I turned it off because I don't like the notifications and so on. Then you have a cybersec like block ads and malicious websites. So if you're interested in that, you can use it. But I have a antivirus software which already does that, so it's enough for me. Also, you can select another language. Let's go to the auto connect. So when the NordVPN starts with the Windows, automatically connects you to the VPN server. So if your PC just booted up, you will be automatically connected to VPN. You need to switch always when the app launches. You need to select on, so it will automatically connect you. You can select auto connect on Wi-Fi. I don't have Wi-Fi on this computer, so it's of course off. But if you have a laptop, it will be a good idea, I think, to use this option. Okay, so the next option is also very important. Choose a VPN protocol and server automatically. I don't like this. I like to always connect like to United Kingdom or like Netherlands, and then you can also select the server from it. I think the recommended server is totally fine. And VPN protocol NordLynx recommended is the fastest one and the best one. Okay, let's go to kill switch. You can turn on internet kill switch. So basically your normal internet without VPN won't work until you're connected to VPN. So it is also an interesting idea. Split tunneling, so you can choose which apps use VPN and which not. So if you're interested in that, you can try this option. Then we have advanced, we can use custom DNS, invisible on LAN, so all extra options if you're interested in, but I won't review it because 99% of the users don't need this stuff. So let's go back to the VPN itself. And yeah, so basically just that. So let's go back to the browser and check how our Spain IP information looks like. Okay, so I went to website called myip.com, and you will see that we have another IP address. This IP is not mine. It's a IP address provided by NordVPN, and this IP is from Spain. You can also see on the right side that we are in Spain. So yeah, so it works. It works as expected. So if you have any more questions, please leave them down in the comments. And if you are interested in NordVPN, please check out their website. And bye bye.